All right. Friday, June 17th, 7:31 a.m. We have Federal Chairman Powell speaking. Um, Very high importance, about 15 minutes. Controls short-term interest rates. He has more influence over U.S. dollar value than any other person. Traders closely watch his speeches as they are often used to drop hints regarding future monetary policy. Um, so in about 13 minutes, we're gonna see some um, high volatility, high importance, and short-term interest rates. Also, he has more influence over U.S. dollar. Okay. So checklist update charts. We're gonna identify trend and recent low high. So on a daily chart, we been ranging for some months. So now we have broke out of it. Here's the lowest we broke out of it, retested it. So now on a downtrend. If you can, you know, draw a box right here at the bottom of that, broke through it, we retested it, and we stayed above it and trend line now. And then we have another break under here. Another break under there. Now we have significantly dropped down to this area right here. And we have some retracement and continuation back down even past this area and lower low right here. And now we have closed above this previous area. We have closed above this area, and now pushing up back into this area. See, this was a recent high. Let's see, can I add a LI? Where is info line? Here, text. We have is recent daily high. Okay. So here's a recent daily high. We could be climbing back up to here or falling, making this a potential another daily high. But then we also have our recent daily low down here. So here's our trend, our highs and lows on a daily chart. So I'm gonna make these pretty smaller, honestly. Next we're going to identify recent supply demand zones in the low and high on our hourly 4 chart. So we're gonna identify recent supply and demand zones. Um, a low high. Okay, so I see that we have in this up here broke below it. Oops. Let's go ahead and lock these in place. Okay, so it's our recent daily low. I don't think I need this line here. I get rid of this line. Recent supply and demand zones. So no, down in here, our recent daily low. Here's an area, build liquidity. Then up here, our recent daily high actually. You can see that we didn't even touch this actually. And so we have, higher lows building up to here. I'm gonna fine tune this right about here. About here. Very picky about this. I like to be pretty on point if I can. Okay, so here's a well. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Can I go ahead and make this full screen? So here's our most recent low. Okay. Here's our most recent low. Right here. Actually, I'll just got this. I'll make another one. Right there. Recent. I'll be forward a low. Okay. And also, our most high is our recent daily high. So, from our recent daily low, we have climbed up in this area, broke above it, and shot up to touch this area over here, which was the support of our recent daily high. And now we have come back down. Okay. And on a 15-minute chart, we're going to identify trend reversals near key zones. So we have in between two key zones. And we have been going down, come up, and go down. And trying to come up and then come back down. So it looks like we can't really break below these two. Hmm. Let's check back on in 4 minutes. Okay, 7:45. Okay. I'm gonna fine tune these. Very picky. I really shouldn't be. Sorry, identify true universal near key zones on a 15-minute. So we broke above this. Didn't even touch up here and been coming down. But if you see, we have created some support right here. Price is not going lower than that. So we need to find what we're gonna do right here. And then if price breaks above here, this is our most recent high. So we can say it's our safe levels right here, because this, if we can move this out some more, be looking to push up to this area. Then test this one more time again. Show. I'll move this out just a little bit too. No, right there. Okay. So that's updating the charts. Now we're going to determine. So we've updated the charts. Now we're going to determine if a high probability setup is setting up, and this is our trading plan. If we go down to entries, uncheck these. So minute 15 structure must break, retest, follow through, and opposite. I'll change that. Or follow through an opposite direction of zone, right? So on a minute 15 structure, which we have here, structure must break, retest, or follow through an opposite direction of zone. So we have a retest and then following through it opposite direction. So, excuse me. In the next 20 seconds, we should be seeing some. This is when Jerome Powell is going to be speaking. Retracement must fail to take out the low high on a 5-minute chart. Not really any retracement. So we do have this down, going down here, coming up retracement, and it is consolidation right here. So really just kind of wait. We do have, on a 15-minute chart, prices broke above here, came up and retested this area, failed to retest it actually. I'll move this up into here. It failed to retest it actually. And then went to the opposite direction. So we're gonna check this one off. Down one for the first entry. So next would be we're gonna look for some movement outside of these areas, and then wait for a retracement. And that retracement must take out the low high on a minute 5 chart. So we'll come back when we have some movement. All right. So we do have some movement here. It's kind of just closed below. candle closed below the low of this one. So this is a retracement. After this movement, have some retracement, then this candle closed below here, which we do have in our notes right here. One of the retracement must fail to take out the recent high low. So this retracement right here failed to take out this previous high. Only came up to test this area right here before it's down. Then we have enter on the next engulfing candle that closed below above recent candle low high and 14 EMA. So now we're going to turn the EMA, close below the EMA and close below the recent engulfing candle. So we can check that one. So we can enter trade here, get in here, stop loss right above here, and then our take profit would be 1 to 3 right in this area right here. So we're going to create a market order and we're going to risk 1%. 1%, and we're going to sell. That is our trading plan. Everything checked. Trade management will send alert and close at 50% at first EMA retest on 5-minute chart. So go over here, click on EMA and alert once per bar close, crossing EMA. Okay, and alert is set. We are in profit. I will go ahead I would like to set alert here to see if it breaks below here, but honestly I'll probably close partial. If you have a strong close below here, I will move stop loss break even. But you set an alert, move stop loss break even, reach the low high. So we'll wait for small movement. We are in profit, and we'll come back in a few and check on the trade. Just quick note, thought I should share. We entered here on this closing below this lower candle. We have continuation. Now we have another pull up touching the EMA. So if this closes at the EMA or above, we'll close 50%. But on a 15-minute, 30 seconds, if this bar closes below this right here, we should be okay. Just quick thoughts. I'm gonna mark this right here. We got 10 seconds. It doesn't like it's closing above it. Yeah, it doesn't want it to be down this area. Didn't close above it, but we do have some more pushing up. Like it might just build more quantity. It did touch the EMA, didn't close, actually came a little more down. I'm gonna delete this. So I'm gonna let it play out, give some time to room to breathe. Now we do have the alert set, so If it does close at the MA or above it, had alert will close 50% as trade, not trade, risk management. That's not risk management. Oh my, risk management rules, because capital preservation is key. Boom. So we will see how it plays out. All right. Quick check-in. 5-minute candle closing in 18 seconds, as well as a 15-minute closing in 14 seconds. So we can see that we did have some rejection up the EMA on the 15 and the 5-minute chart, and we just plowed right through this resistance level or support level. So we can definitely be looking to heading here. Even on a 15-minute candle, you have this engulfing bearish candle closing not only below the pad recent 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 candles, also below this significant area right here. Risky and confident, add on another trade here. Zoom in, stop loss below here, break even. If you wanted to add a second one, boom, here, take profit, same down here, then a stop loss. You can have a tight stop loss actually just above this candle. Kind of risky, but we'll keep one right now. Up $63 in profit. I can see nicely on a 5-minute that we do have some strong momentum just pushing right through. Again, the reason for entry was we have a little bit of consolidation right here. Here's support for it. We strongly pushed and broke through it, stopping down here. The previous area we stopped down and came back up for a little retracement. So the move started here. So basically the strategy is for a move and wait for retracement and another move, right? But within this third move, after the retracement, so after this retracement, we want to look for the very next candle, which is this one, to close below this recent significant candle right here. Boom, close below into the trade right there. We got a little lower because I was talking about it. Boom, right there. Risk reward, nice 1 to 3, 1 to 2, however you're feeling. Stop loss right above there. Yeah, we can move. Yeah, we'll keep right there. Stop loss right above that wick. So we're in profit right now. Delete that. And we had some more news at 8:15. Some slight news that came out at 8:15, so kind of helped with the push down. Looks like it's coming back up to retest this area and struggling to even actually test it or break up or go above it. So next 2 minutes, we'll see if we have continuation or some movement up. 15-minute candle, looking pretty nice. You have 11 minutes to this closes. Up $76 in profit. So we'll come back, check on it later. So we do have fast momentum and it is melting right now. I do want to set the stop loss just above this um, recent right here, a little bit above the EMA. So I'll go ahead and do that actually. Go ahead and turn these back on. Then I can simply just move this. Boom, stop loss. And then move this down. One thing I love about using paper trading on TradingView. Alright, stop loss there. Alright, so far, so good. So this candle wanted to come up here and test this area and just massively melt it down. No previous. So last time was here, so look down here. It could be. I just want to mark all this actually. So this one, this one, this one. I'm just gonna mark all this from here down to here. Anywhere in this pretty much area. Kind of getting a little messy on the chart here. We can delete this. We're not up there anymore. We're going to delete that too. But we just melted through there actually. Let's look at a 15-minute chart. Good, 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 good. Next 8 minutes. Continues to go down. Looking good. Actually, I'll delete this. Don't need this here. Don't need more clutter. Alright, we'll leave it like this and then we will come back. Alright. Just want to come back and take note. See, we do have come down here, pushed up to this point down here, fell away down, test the EMA, and then push below this line all the way down to here. So we stopped here, came back up, wanted to touch this area, didn't not quite touched it. Also, this wick is lower than this wick, so we do have that right there. But we do, so this line that we came down to, both these wicks went below it, no close below, so we do have a little bit support right there. We can see what we're gonna do. It's probably gonna do on a 15-minute chart. We got about 4 minutes left. So really just price is just holding right here. I do believe we're gonna see some more movement down into this big area right here. Right now, just waiting. If we don't break below here, and we get a close up here. Let's see if we can get a close above there. Might just close half the trade, and then once take profit, break even, or I'll set it to above this kind of right here. So at 22,580. if we get a close above here, anywhere inside here or above. But 2 minutes do we have this kind of closing? It's pushing down. So if we had to close below, let it run. Let it run. So we'll come back and let it go. Okay, so we have had some movement. 15-minute candle closing in 10 seconds. We did break below this area here and even closed below in the previous 5 minute. Melted down and we coming back up pretty large wick. So right now I'm gonna close about 50%. Actually, do I know how to close 50%? Close. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Well, okay. Didn't mean to do that. But we closed right there. So we made where am I doing? Oh, look at melts. Look at it melting. Okay. 152. Definitely gonna hit. Not mean to close it. Alright. Well, that's all for now.